Warrior Project for over 10 years has supported our veterans, the men and women who protect us on a daily basis and allow us to come out and play this great game. Over 10 years, they have dozens of programs that help folks when they come back from overseas.
Seniors, as you get ready, you know, when May rolls around, and I don't want to get you graduated too soon, but you got to remember when you take that first job, it's your responsibility to take care of the people who take care of us. People that choose to defend our country. You know, most of you, 90% of you, 99% of you won't see the things that Jeff saw or that Steven has seen. But you got to make sure that when it's your time, you step up, you write that check for a thing like WWP or any of the other great organizations that take care of our veterans. Because we can't be who we are without them.
Amen.
I love this group. They really work hard, and seeing guys out there for the first time against another colored jersey is important, and see how, you know, we start to get that camaraderie online.
Our goal every day here is to get better every day, each quarter get better every day, and I think we did that today.
It's great. It was good to get 2 wins. We've had a good experience here the last 3 years. It's a great event. Support's a great foundation. It was just great day.